Yeah, we're in an elevator. Alright, so we're actually out to Unruly right now with Henry, Chris, Lewis, Owen, and we're going to wash our cars right now. Alright, so where are we? The pre-meet for Unruly?
We're at a pre-meet for Unruly. So the real question is Burger King
or Taco Bell? That is a good question. So we're gonna go inside Burger King. We actually just came from cleaning our cars. I totally forgot to tell you guys, so our cars are like nice and shiny now. Oh, you're putting it under your car?
Yeah.
Okay. He's gonna crush it with his bags.
Just tried to take it out. It'd be much harder with a soda can.
Would you do it with a full soda can?
Maybe. We'll see.
There's a Walmart right there. All right, so we're at Unruly right now, and I haven't started recording because like it's still here. You want to be in it? You talk. I haven't really recorded much because like nothing's really happening, but a lot of cops just like pulled up for no reason. Look at all these speed 3s right here. It's not a 3-speed. It doesn't have 3 gears.
Whatever.
All right, so there's 3 cops just camping out right there. There's one right over there. Yes, Henry. Way to go right in my shot. Pretty clean. Go!
Fuck you.
Look how clean this is though. It's all wood and air. We're just chilling on his car. Yeah. Alright, bye Henry.
Bye, Henry. Why'd you just set off my lunch?
Go.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either 5 or 6. No, there's 6.
Nick is a smart ass.
Alright, so there's 6 people there. There's 6 cop cars and 7 cops there. Oh my god.
Look at this. You broke more.
Dude, look how big this hole is.
Bro, I can't see man like this.
No, you can literally like see his arms like right there. His head, look, his head, his arms, and his legs.
I thought he was gonna like.
All right, so we riding out right now. We going to drift meet, so we'll see you there. All right, guys, so we just made it to the drift spot for Unruly, and no one's here right now. Absolutely. Clint's gonna send it in his C63S, and Lucas is gonna send it in his SS. Look how flat these tires are. Alright, so I'm just chilling on Lewis's car here. I don't know what you're doing, but okay. Oh! Oh my god! Bro, what is going on? Oh my god. No, someone straight up is about to crash right here. Oh! They almost just crashed.
Oh yeah, it's not mine. It's Jerry's.
this truck drifting better than a car? What is going on? Oh my God! Oh! Someone's gonna take this fence out. Let's go, Owens! Bro, that cop almost just took me out! What the? He literally almost took me out. Like, I think he was trying to stop me because I was a. But this is madness. People are going on the grass. So we just made it to the marathon, but look how long this line is of cars. That's how many people were there, but I'm definitely done recording for right now. Or like, no, this is the end of the video just because that cop looked like he was after my camera, like for 100%, just because I was recording. Crazy night. So definitely, we got Cars and Coffee and Get Low this Sunday. I'm gonna be posting this video. I got a few more videos I should be posting soon, but I cannot believe we hit 500 subscribers, guys. So thank you so much for that. Definitely go drop a like, comment below. I don't know how it happened. It blew up in like a day, but this was yeah, it's really good. Definitely like this video, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Short of breath.
Yo, these cars got in a car accident just now. Bad.
That shit spun out.
Car right there just hopped the curb. Right as I just stopped recording. Right as I just stopped recording, that happened. Wow. All right, I'm done recording, guys. Thank you for watching.